are here with Mr. Dunkley, right? The owner of this beautiful car right here in the background. How things, man?
Things good.
All right. I realize you're out early today testing.
Yeah, shakedown.
Shakedown.
Yeah.
All right. So tell us a little bit about this car, year and specs.
It's originally 1997 Nissan 240, American version of the Sylvia.
Okay. Okay.
So as you can see, left-hand drive.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So do a complete rebuild on it. Most people know it from before with the, the RX-7 13B engine, all-wheel drive. Now it's still all-wheel drive, but now with a 1JZ.
So it's a 1JZ all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, yes.
Now, let me ask, what inspired this build though?
Well, racing for me is just fun. It's just a hobby, something I do in my spare time.
Yeah.
Love all-wheel drive.
Okay.
And the S chassis, love it. So because I want all-wheel drive,
Yes.
I just make it into what I want.
Definitely. 1JZ opposed to the 2JZ. Was there a reason why I didn't go 2JZ?
Yes, because it's a race car. Our class go by weight. 1JZ is a smaller engine, 2.5 as compared to the 2J, which is a 3 liter. So then I would have to carry more weight.
Okay.
With the 1J,
Yes.
it's 2.5, I can make almost the same amount of power
Okay.
and run a lighter weight car.
Interesting. And which class is it that you'll be competing in?
So I plan to run TS2 and MP4.
TS2 and MP4.
Trouble.
It's a big boy machine
Yeah.
we're looking at, right?
Definitely, yeah.
I was looking at the setup earlier and I am impressed. I'm loving the car, by the way. And the last time you were out when was the last time the car was out?
I think the last time the car run was about 2016, I think.
Wow.
Long time ago. The car
Wow.
been sitting,
Wow.
been worked on, evolution time, like a little bit at a time.
Okay.
This is the end product.
Okay.
Yeah.
And considering that it's a Nissan, right? Is there a reason why you went with the 1J opposed to maybe like a RB?
Yes, RB for one reason, very expensive.
Okay.
A lot need to be done to it to make the power.
Okay.
And parts are hard to find. So with the 1J, you get, even though it's a Toyota, it's a better platform to work with in terms of racing, in terms of cost, reliability, and making the power.
Right. And also availability of parts.
Parts, yeah.
Understood.
So,
Now for the drivetrain, you mentioned that it's an all-wheel drive.
yeah, so it's running the Skyline R33 drivetrain.
Wow. So we still have some Nissan in the mix.
Yeah, it's
right?
total Nissan except for the engine. Yeah.
Okay. And was it any challenge doing that conversion?
Well, with everything, there's always challenge.
Right.
You just have to work through it, and things don't line up, and you cut and weld, and make it to what you wanted.
Okay. And is there any build like this of anywhere else in the world? All-wheel drive, 1JZ?
No, not that I know of. I've heard of a 2J all-wheel drive. I've seen the videos on YouTube.
Right.
Other than that,
Right. This is a very, very interesting build.
Thank you.
And I am looking forward to see you out there on the track with this beast. I heard it today.
We're preparing for it.
Yeah. And Turner Sport 2 MP4. So we're talking. You'll be going up like against the Evolutions.
Right.
Well, let me ask you this. Not to really put you on the spot, but what are you hoping for in terms of?
So the plan for this year is actually to do more testing.
Okay.
You know, learning to drive the car.
Right,
You know, it's
right.
completely new. So testing. You know, obviously we'll try and compete, but
Right.
I'm not planning to go all out.
All-
I'm trying
okay.
to evolve with the car.
Right,
So
right.
the engine right now is completely stock. We haven't opened the engine. We haven't modified it. It's
Okay.
a stock engine. And I
Okay.
did that specifically because I want to keep the power level down.
Right.
Take my time, learn the car. At the end of the year, we plan on taking it out, rebuilding, and then
You
see
step
where we
up.
go from there.
I have so many questions about this car, but we can't ask everything today, you know? So I'll save some for another time.
Okay.
But definitely, I am looking forward to, you know, see this machine out. In terms of power though, you know, what the power levels you're on now?
We're looking at making about 450, 500 in that region.
Okay.
To begin with, and
Okay.
as we, like I said, as we evolve, we plan to
step
the
up.
power. Yeah.
Right, right.
Like I said, as I get comfortable with the car, learn to drive it,
Right.
learn the handling of it, and get the issues worked out.
Right.
Start going up with the power.
It's the first I'm meeting you in person. But how many years have you been racing professionally?
I started out racing here in Dover about 1996 on motorcycle. I used
Oh,
to
yeah?
ride an FCR superbike back in the day. I
Oh,
did that
so-
for about 3 years, and
Okay,
then
so you started with bikes?
yes,
Interesting.
then back then I was a teenager. And then life started happening, and I needed to have a career, so I went overseas, became a pilot.
Okay,
Started
okay,
working,
okay.
and then after maturing and thing, I figured out the bikes were a little bit
Yeah.
dangerous. So I went into
Your
cars.
transition.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then started this one. I think was 2014 is when I started to drive this one.
Oh, okay.
That's when I transitioned to cars. Yeah.
And I believe Kevin told me that you actually brought this car in.
Yeah, from the US. Yes.
In terms of the transmission, is it a 5-speed or a 6-speed?
Yeah, it's just a original R33 5-speed gearbox.
Okay, all-wheel drive. And in terms of the electronics now,
So
ECU,
now I'm running the AEM Infinity Suite
Okay.
for the engine management. I'm running the full sport, full race for the transmission.
Okay.
And then I have the AEM dash. I have the full AEM package running the engine.
Nice. Jason, I know it's been a long day. Thank you so much for making the time to talk with us, and we look forward to seeing you on the track.
Thank you. Well,
All right.
I'll see you next time.
Big up.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.